Oh my, what is that? What is that? What is that? And how is that?
Well, I'm actually about to tell you. Yeah, it's been a few weeks. What's up? What is up, guys? This is Jagger. Welcome back to the second episode of Blue Street Garage. I'm also sick. I've been sick for like 2 weeks now, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to get over it. So basically, the last episode, which was, what is this, like a month ago? I'm sorry. I know this is every Saturday. Yeah, I'm gonna change that. Matter of fact, by the time you watch this, it's probably gonna be changed. But what have I been doing? How has the tractor been? It's actually been great. I was gonna divide this all up, my projects that I have into a group series of videos. That's just gonna be way too boring, so I'm gonna just do it all in one. So first off, how has the tractor been? How was the axle? I'm gonna show you.
The tractor has been done. And I'm gonna say this right now. It is actually insane. I got up about 22 miles an hour, but here's the problem. The axle's on. It kind of sits like this, which is like a gasser. I love it so much. If you know what a gasser is, then you'll get it. It doesn't really ride. The engine itself doesn't really ride well. It kind of sputters and spurs. But then again, I also have the exhaust on backwards. So the wheels the tires are completely different. And I've been wondering, why does it shake? It has this awful shake whenever you start riding it. Well, here's the problem.
I thought it was something other. I thought it was something different. I thought that maybe I might have screwed up on something. That's wrong. That's completely wrong.
The tires, I never really realized this until literally about 2 days ago. Since the tires are their same size wheels, but since the tires this one is a lot more thicker than that one, and I realized that it slants, like the entire tractor, if you're looking at it like this, it completely slants downward like that. Yeah, that's why it shakes, because they're completely unbalanced. And also, it doesn't really turn. The axle itself is so long. The back wheels were probably out another foot. So they were completely out from the front wheels. And I'm gonna tell you, the front two wheels, they're pretty dull. But basically, whenever I would try and turn it, it wouldn't turn. And I've been trying to think of this. It's like, I understood the first reason why, because, they were the front wheels, there was no way it was gonna turn. But I started thinking about it. I said, why? So now it's about the same way as how it was with the original gearing. So I thought to myself,
why won't it turn? I took it on the road and I went in a ditch, and that was when I said to myself, I gotta figure out what the heck the problem is.
So that problem can be fixed with new wheels. Stand up taller. We have to get a welder. That's the only reason why, is because it's being held on. The entire axle is being held on by about 6 sheet metal screws. So I'm pretty much just waiting to die, but get the point. New wheels all the way along. I want 4 new wheels. It's gonna be taller sitting up. It's gonna run like a champ. Otherly mechanical wise, the only thing I've done is put on a new air filter. You can see I didn't even run it yet with it on, but it just makes it look so nice with the no decals on it. Oh man, I'm gonna spray paint this. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna get a new seat on it. I'm gonna take off. I think I'm gonna retake off everything. Take off the engine, but I can do all that. And yeah, it's pretty muddy right now because whenever last time I tried to do it on the road, I went into a ditch and I got stuck. So that's what happened. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the engine. I'm gonna take off. I want to get new steering because I broke the steering, by the way. Take off the steering, take off the engine, take off all the wheels. I want to sand down the entire body, repaint it, get some new lights. I want to make this thing awesome. It's gonna happen in the future.
On to my second project. See this?
See that right there? This is a 1949 Chevy 3600 truck. We have had this for probably 11 years. And I remember the night my dad bought it, my mom was like, you can't do it. It was in pieces, right? It's been sitting up in our barn. It's moved from my dad's old work to our barn, back and forth, and now it's here.
My goal was to get this truck up and running by this summer, probably around end of May to June. That's not gonna happen. This truck probably won't get done for a while. But in the meantime, we've been getting parts.
This is something that I'm pretty proud of, I must say so myself. I drug this entire shit. Now, of course, nothing was on it. Over there, when we first built that wall and doors, drug it over here around it to right here now. And there was a box that had all the truck stuff in it. And I literally went through that box and everything. And I organized it all so nice. I got the U-bolts, I got the front steering, everything here. Everything, any other parts, anything that was worth keeping, I put it here. We got this brand new toy. Hasn't even used. This is actually it's basically just like a bottle jack hooked up to a frame, but it's a press and it works. So the tractor, which you all guys all seen before, has been my project number 1. Truck, project number, actually I don't know, I don't really have numbers for my projects, I just do them. And this one's just on hold for right now until we get some new parts or get a welder. Because then once we get a welder, we're in business. This is my 2013 Honda CRF 100. And I'm turning this bike into a street legal bike. And I may be saying, why did you waste your money on something like this? It's perfect. Everything is actually all wired up except for the tail light of the bike because actually like it works, it just won't actually indicate anything. The turn signals work and everything. It finally works. Horn. I ordered the brake switches I need on Amazon. Never came. Said it's never gonna come. So I said, all right, that's fine. So I'm gonna have to make something up myself. But this is what I think is gonna be awesome.
So those are my projects for right now. That's not my marine projects. I'll get into that way more in a few months whenever it actually starts to get nice out. Those are some of my projects. So I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. I will be uploading more. I'm so sorry. I was gonna make videos about this stuff earlier, but the stuff that I need to actually make a video about it either got canceled or I get screwed over or whatever. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna get back to work on it. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Promise.
Yes, I am sorry. It is raining out. Why can I help it? This is Ohio, the worst state in America, but I'm sorry. Merry Christmas to me. It's time to really get the channel up and going. What do you say? I say let's do it.